not only is this my favorite sneaker of all time, it's also one sneaker that everyone should own. What is going on, everyone? So today in this video, I'm going to be introducing you all to a sneaker that you may or may not own. And if you do own it, great, because I feel like this sneaker is an essential part to one's sneaker collection. And as the title does suggest, it's a very important sneaker, I feel like, to someone's collection. So I hope you guys will enjoy this video. I'm really just going to get straight into it. Be sure you guys turn on all notifications for my channel if you want to see more videos like this, and make sure you guys get them all. All you got to do is go, when you subscribe, hit the notification bell, hit options, and then select all. And then select all. If you want to do that, then you'll get all my videos, and I definitely would appreciate that. But anyways, we're gonna get straight into it. It's super early in the morning and I'm for some reason recording, but let's just get started. Now, for sneakers under $100, I feel like this sneaker is pretty much unbeatable when it comes to prices like that. It's a great quality sneaker, and again, of my grail personally for sneakers, and it's also a great thing I'm adding to my collection since I haven't been too big into sneakers, but this is gonna really elevate, I feel like, clout. Yeah, clout. Sure. Let's just go with that. Let's just go with any word. I feel like it's gonna elevate my collection is what I meant to say. It's gonna look better overall with this one sneaker. So we're gonna unbox it right now. Now you may or may not be able to guess with the silver box on what it is. Now, for those of you that are new into sneakers, you're probably maybe confused on what type of box is this. Is this a Nike box? Sort of the regular box they go with on most things. It is silver, so that's slightly different. That's what sort of identifies the sneaker. So 2007 model, originally started in 1982, the sneaker was originally started and begun. It was the first model was made, but it's my favorite sneaker of all time. So there is the wrapping paper right here, and I'm gonna give you guys a slight hint. It says AF1 all over it. So if you know what AF1 stands for, then you'll know what the sneaker is. But here we are, my favorite sneaker of all time, and also one for under $100, and probably the best under $100 sneaker ever, is the Nike Air Force 1. Just look at them, they're very clean, and overall the model is super nice. Right there, you got AF1 on it, and then the laces are still factory lace. Like, I haven't even taken out the sneakers, you guys can tell. I'm really too afraid to wear it, but here we are. They're just super clean. I'm gonna take those off so you guys can see it. I just love the swoosh and how it goes along with it, and also I love the sole pattern. As you can see, it has a bunch of little like dashes going along it, and it's very nice. That's very nice right there. Very, very nice. Very nice. But if you look at this, the front, it's very nice too. You got that classic design right there. And it's just a really good sneaker overall. I'm not using correct terms because I'm just trying to get it through quickly. But obviously we got the tongue of the sneaker, then we got the collar of the sneaker, we got the heel of the sneaker, and we also have the upper of the sneaker. So just to use quick and correct terms there, very nice sneaker. Now, obviously you all see the title, and I'm not trying to clickbait too hard, so I'm gonna explain why you should own the Air Force 1. Now, my first reason for this sneaker, and the reason you should own it, is because the quality of this sneaker is unbeatable. Now, the reason I think this sneaker is definitely worth your money for under $100, and one of the best $100 sneakers, is because firstly, we have a leather toe box. So up here, it is just a leather material. It's very nice, and also it is breathable with the air holes made for it. And the whole upper of the sneaker is a very nice leather material, a very well-made sneaker. The model is sick to me. So of course, with me liking the sneaker, I'm gonna uplift it as much as possible. So very nice sneaker, and also by the collar of the sneaker is extremely comfortable. Nike has placed a lot of padding there by the tongue to make sure that the sneaker is as comfortable as it gets for the person who buys it. But reason number two for this sneaker being one of the best sneakers ever, we're just gonna make it throw out a huge claim. The reason you should own it is because comfort. Now, I cannot stress it enough. For an under $100 sneaker, this sneaker is unbelievably comfortable. The leather is super nice, and also with the padding by the collar of the sneaker, it just makes the sneaker a great cop. And of course, I would recommend buying this. I'm even gonna link it down below. That's how passionate about it. I will link several links down below for EU and hopefully for US on how great this sneaker is. I may even throw an article in there how great this sneaker is. It is so comfortable, and honestly, it's my favorite sneaker ever. There's a reason it's my grail. It's because with comfort, it's nearly unbeatable for its price. And third, of course, on the list, you can match your Nike socks correctly for the first time. Anyways, thank you all for watching this video. If you're new, do not forget, of course, subscribe. Turn on those notifications. I'll pop it up on the screen. Just make sure you guys do that. Hit options, all, and make sure all notifications on so you guys get more of my videos. And let me know down below in the comments what you think an essential sneaker is. I feel like the Air Force 1 is basically a really great starter sneaker for most. Also, it's also a very comfortable sneaker, a very good for price sneaker. And it's just overall, the quality is amazing on it for its price of $90, which is what I bought it for on dicksportinggoods.com or something like that. But anyways, just thank y'all for watching this video. I really do appreciate you guys' support you've been showing lately. And yeah, thanks for watching. And of course, as always, peace out.